Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today. For those coming for this channel, hi, my name is Choma Akujize, and on this channel we do basically skincare tips, product reviews and DIY. So if this is something you love or something that actually interests you, please do not click away. Click the subscription button, like into the world, part of the amazing family. Yeah. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing and recommending one very good, amazing and affordable body lotion to use to keep up with a fair skin. Like if you have a fair skin and you want to maintain your skin, you want to glow up your skin, and you're confused of the body lotion to use, or you want to use something that is very affordable, that is not on the high side, but it's still going to give you the results you need. Like you are thinking of the combo to use. It's going to give you that perfect, that shiny, beautiful, glowing, soft skin at a very affordable price. Hola! You've come to the right place, okay? You're in the right place. Do not click away. Don't go anywhere. Stay tuned to the end. Is not going to be a long or a lengthy one, because a subscriber reached out to me telling me that what body lotion or soap can she actually use to maintain her fair skin or to keep up with her fair skin. I'm like, okay, I have something juicy for you guys. The lotion for today's review and recommendation is Ultra Glow. I think in all my previous videos I've reviewed this particular brand in one of my videos. Ultra Glow Carrot Face and Body Lotion. So I've actually been on this lotion for some time now, and I actually loved it because I've been using the Ultra Glow brand for a while now, and this brand is so amazing. This video is not sponsored. This is just me sharing my honest review and opinion about this lotion and recommending it, that it's a must-have. The name of the body lotion is Ultra Glow Carrot Face and Body Extra Fairness Lotion 3-in-1. It is infused with what? Glutathione, carrot oil, vitamin C, and also turmeric. Will this lotion brighten you up? If you're a fair skin and you use this particular lotion, will it brighten you up? Yes, it's actually going to brighten you up. Will this lotion brighten you up if you're a fair skin? Yes, this lotion is actually going to brighten you up naturally, without taking you out of your skin tone or out of your shade, without also giving you discoloration on your skin. And it says here that it is a 3-in-1, meaning that it is actually does the job of whitening, firming the skin. That means if you are battling with sagging or anti-aged skin, it is going to do justice to that. And it has SPF of 50, but I do not really count on body XPF. Like, you cannot rely on your lotion XPF. You want to make sure that you are adding your own XPF to it to work with it, because you cannot depend or rely on just the sunscreen from your body lotion alone, okay? It does the job of whitening, firming, and it also gives some protection. It naturally whitens, fades dark spots, and improves complexion, and it's good for all skin types. So if you have an oily skin, dry skin, normal skin, combination skin, you can actually try out this lotion. Okay, this is a review coming from a combination skin type. This lotion has been so good on my body. Like, it's actually brightened me up, because at some point I was actually getting darker. I was getting darker due to stress, and coupled the fact that the lotion that I used to use has finished, so I couldn't lay my hands on any. I saw these lotions, I went through the ingredients, and I actually fell in love with it, and trust me, it has been so good. And one other thing that actually made me love this lotion a lot is because it is infused with glutathione, carrot oil, tomatoes, vitamin C plus turmeric. Like, has this richness, this ingredient richness that your skin needs. the richness that your skin is, this lotion has it. It's going to give you that richness that your skin is. Like, I just love it. And it's 400 ml. Like, glutathione alone is for natural skin whitening and antioxidants. You know, some people actually inject themselves with glutathione so they can actually be fair, or they can like have this everlasting fairness, which I would not really advise injecting yourself or collecting drip into your body, your organs, because you want to brighten up your skin. I am not in total support of that, but I would recommend taking supplements and using body lotion or using skincare products on like that topical product that you can apply on your skin before glutathione, okay? And it's also enriched with tomatoes. Tomatoes is for glowing the skin, and it acts as natural sunscreen. So tomatoes also helps to lighten up the skin, in case you do not know. And it's also enriched with carrot oil and vitamin C. It's a beta carotene, potent for what? Anti-aging. Like, I've been using this lotion, and whenever, like, let me show you how it looks. This is how it looks here. Let me see it. Can you see it, guys? See how it looks? It is milky, like it's a body milk, and it gives this cool sensation, this cool feeling when applying it on your skin. Oh, I just love this lotion. It does not have hydroquinone in it, and the fragrance is so mild and cool, and it easily absorbs into your skin. So this one is just like you just apply and you're good to go. Like, you're just good to go. It doesn't make you sweat. Like, some people will use a particular lotion and it will make them sweat, or it's going to give you a sticky feeling or a greasy feeling, but this one doesn't. It absorbs into your skin, it moisturizes, it also hydrates your skin. Okay, you see how it is? You see how it looks like it has absorbed already. So if you have an oily skin, a normal skin, a combination skin, you might want to try this out. But if you have an extremely dry skin, I would not really recommend this lotion for you, because it's not really going to keep your skin moisturized for like 24 hours long. Yes, I'm saying that it's not going to keep your skin like for like 24 hours long. So if you have a dry skin and you really want to enjoy this lotion, use it alongside with a body oil, okay? If you want to actually check for the original, you want to make sure that you are scanning the back of this lotion here. And also, this lotion is made in France. This lotion for me, like, it's a total package, and it is not even up to 4,000 naira. Yes, it's very affordable. It is so affordable, and it does a whole lot. I think it's 3.5. I got it for, no, okay, 3.9. I got it for 3.9. So depending on your location and where you're actually getting this particular lotion from, some people might sell it 5,000, some might sell it 6, but it is not expensive, and it is going to do a whole lot for you. Like, the goodies that it gives to your skin is just a whole lot. It's going to give you that richness, especially if you have a fair skin, oily skin, normal skin, combination skin. This is actually going to work for you, okay? So on that same note, using this lotion alone will not actually help you to achieve that fair and glowing skin that you want. There's some things that you need to be aware of. The first thing is, before you use this lotion, I would say you want to make sure that you exfoliated your skin. Before you use any product, before you try out any product, one advice I've always been giving is you want to make sure that you exfoliate your skin. Exfoliate just means to remove dead cells or anything that will not allow the lotion to actually work effectively and properly on your skin. So you want to make sure that you exfoliate your skin. After doing that, do not go and get a cocoa butter soap. You are embarking on a fair skin or a journey of lightening up your skin, and you're using cocoa butter soap or shower gel, or you're using shea butter shower gel, or a shower gel that is infused with highly active moisturizers that will not really light you up, that might also tan your skin. You don't want to be using wash off products of that category. So if you ask me, one very good bar soap that I will actually recommend for you to use with this lotion that will actually help you to achieve that goal, that fair skin that you want, is this Madame Rennie carrot bar soap. this soap is a natural lightener. Like, it will lighten up your skin, it will brighten up your skin. But if your skin is sensitive to fragrance, you might want to stay off of this lotion. And if you really have a very sensitive skin, I would recommend that you carry out a patch test before using this soap all over your skin. This soap will brighten up your skin. It will when I mean brighten up, sorry, not brightening, lighten up your skin. It will. So imagine using this soap and you're using this lotion. There is no how, like, it cannot just be dark. This one has carrots. It's boldly written here, carrots. And this one too also has carrots. So, like, there is no how you're going to get darker. Instead, you're going to get lighter and you would appreciate your complexion. But the first thing I said is, number one, is you want to make sure that you exfoliate your skin. Number two, make sure that you're using a lightening wash of products like soap, in form of a soap or shower gels. Then you can try out the lotion. And to now lock it up, you want to make sure that you're using body oils too. Body oils also help in the improvement of doing what, lightening or brightening of your skin. If you're confused on body oils to use, I've done numerous videos on body oils to try out to lighten up your skin. If you've not checked it out, I'm going to link it up up here, or it's going to be in my description box. And lastly, you want to make sure that you are locking up your skin with a sunscreen. Like, what is the essence of using all these products and just going out without using a sunscreen? Is just a waste of time. Okay, lock up your skin with a sunscreen to prevent your skin from harmful rays from the sun. If you're still confused on sunscreen to actually use for your skin, I've also done a video on that. Like, I've just made life so easy for you guys, like achieving a perfect glowing skin, natural beautiful skin. Because if you know me, I love being natural, I love to look natural. Like, I just love to make sure that you're comfortable in your natural skin. And lastly, take supplements. Like, I've been hitting on supplements for a while now, and I'm going to keep hitting on, I'm going to keep talking about it, because supplement is just the key. It is the new horizon. Like, after taking all these things and the inside of your body is just languishing, like it's not being taken care of, definitely you're just wasting your money. You're just wasting your money buying expensive products, and you will not see the results that you want to see till you start taking supplements that will actually help to nourish your skin. And like I said, I've made life so easy for you guys. I've reviewed a lot, like a whole lot of supplements here on my channel. I'm also going to put the picture of one here so you can go and check it out, and I'm going to link it up somewhere here, or it's going to be in my description box. And if you're confused on a particular supplement to actually use or to actually start off with for your skincare journey, to glow up your skin, to make your skin beautiful, to actually reduce stretch marks, or to improve your elasticity and to boost collagen production on your skin, which also help to and to also help to fade away dark spots, hyperpigmentation mark on your skin. If you do not know the kind of supplements to start up with, you can also hit me down comments in the comment section, and I'll be there to answer you. Okay, and feel free to check out my previous videos on supplement. Like, I think I did a video 2 videos back on particular supplement that will actually help you do what, glow your skin. Okay, so guys, that will be all for today's video. Thank you so much for stopping by. Like, if you've watched me up to this point and you've not liked, what are you waiting for? Like, what are you waiting for? Please do well to like this video, comment, share your thoughts to me, and also subscribe to be part of the family. Okay, and until then, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.